What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at Cardano as well as this article pulled up basically saying analysts set a $20 target for Cardano as holders stake 71% of Cardano's current supply. So I find this very interesting and I wanted to look at that article as well as look at the possibilities, maybe give a price prediction as where we could be potentially seeing this run, take us in the near future as things are getting very close, and we really will probably find out where exactly Cardano is going to be breaking to with probably by the end of October, to be honest with you. That's kind of when our little downtrend decides to end. Otherwise, guys, if you haven't already, definitely make sure to comment your favorite cryptocurrency down below, as well as comment subscribe. This way I know you would like to enter to win one of these $130 crypto coin ticker displays, as I will be checking, and if you're not subscribed, you'll not win. Otherwise, definitely make sure to turn on post notifications, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, I am on this article. It's posted by fxstreet.com. I've actually heard about them a few times, but as you can see in the article, it basically talks about how Cardano is becoming one of the most decentralized cryptocurrencies among other smart contract platforms, with 71% of the current supply being staked by its holders, which is pretty crazy considering that most people with cryptocurrencies usually just tend to hold them. But Cardano specifically, majority of its holders are actually staking the cryptocurrency instead of just holding it, trying to make more money on their profits. And you can see here, they say analysts are bullish on Cardano, setting a target of $15 to $20 for Cardano price at the end of the year. That's pretty soon, and I want to look at that. I mean, that would be an incredible return considering we're currently trading at $2, but to see a $20 outlook here, let's just, wow, I really have to extend this out. A $20 outlook would be all the way up here. Literally all the way up here would be $20. That's an incredible run. Is it possible? Sure. There's definitely a big possibility if most people are staking the token would pretty much just lock some of its market cap and probably allow the coin to probably pump a little bit higher here. Ideally, I'm not seeing a $20 ROI, but we could definitely see the prices shoot back up to the upside here. I'm not entirely sure that's where I would, put a price prediction on here, but that is still an incredible price prediction. It says that the Ethereum killer has announced several updates of the Cardano ecosystem, including light wallets, considered part of Bitcoin founder Satoshi Nakamoto's vision. Emergo drives the adoption of Cardano and builds on its blockchain. The developers have built a wallet that facilitates NFT and most native token transactions in a simple and accessible manner, and this adds to the value of ADA holders. There's a lot of production happening and people building on this token, which is causing a lot of projects to use Cardano. But now to ultimately look at the technical analysis, as we can see here, I'm not going to really give the biggest long-term price prediction because it's much harder to track. Honestly, when you look at the weekly charts on Cardano, I mean, yeah, we could continue this uptrend, but literally the end of 2021 ends right here. The end of 2021 is right here. So ideally, I don't see us seeing a rally up to $15 to $20 like this. That would be absolutely insane and very quick to happen. Now, do I see us potentially breaking out? Yeah, sure. I could definitely see that. We are still in an uptrend here, and if we can continue to bounce off this, we might be able to see a projection closer to like $6 or something, but maybe definitely not $15 to $20 that quickly by the year's end. But you can see ideally what we're looking at right now is the consolidation that's happening inside this coin. You can see for the most part there has been some sort of falling wedge. Usually these falling wedges tend to break bullish. I mean, you can see it right here on XRP. On Bitcoin. Bitcoin's having what appears to be another wedge. I mean, we're not falling necessarily, but we do climb inside these wedges and they do tend to break bullish. We've seen them numerous occasions that they break bullish. So to see it in Cardano again, I would consider this to be a fairly bullish outlook here that would break us to the upside. The other thing people are noticing is a descending triangle. You can see this. This is the triangle here, or a pennant flag formation. So this is the pennant, and this is the flag right here, which would tend to break bullish as well. So I would like to see how exactly this plays out. You can see for the most part that this tends to end this sideways channel here, this pennant flag, from the current day that we're at to, let's say, the bear bottom point. It's about 11 days. That's really not a lot of time. And if we extend it maybe in the middle, that gives us about a week left. So that's really where we're going to have to decide what we want to do. I'd like to think that volume is going to really pull this coin to the upside or the downside here. As you can see, we've been rejected on numerous occasions for weeks now of this consolidation, getting sandwiched in between this downtrend and its support, as well as its moving average, which it really hasn't been able to break through. So ideally, in the probably next couple of days, we'll be able to find reason which direction we're going to be breaking to. If we close below, I think our support levels at maybe like $2, we should be able to short this down to what could be like $1.60 even. And if we break through the uptrend or this downtrend here, this top resistance level, the price ceiling, we should be able to see a big rally to the upside. I think it will start a bigger rally as we usually get sandwiched here or we retest bottom support. Volume comes in, we really just surge in price. We've been consolidating here for quite some time now too, not necessarily in this uptrend, but we have been consolidating, and I do believe that this will ultimately lead to prices breaking out when we do confirm a breach above this top resistance here. So the longer we wait, the lower the prices are going to be moving to, setting a lower resistance that we have to break. Currently, it was at about 218. A couple of weeks ago, it was at 232. So it's lowered ourselves about 15 cents on the dollar. And this consolidation is pretty much going to last probably no more than another week to week and a half before we see a general direction here. Now, a lot of people are bullish and bearish here. The more consolidation we have, yeah, the chances of a bearish break is possible. But ideally, long term, I do see a bullish reversal happening. It's either we're going to break to bottom support at $1.60, then pump up, or we're going to break through here and pump up. It really is just one of those two factors. So we'll have to see what exactly happens. Now, the consolidation is pretty much coming to an end, and I wanted to show you guys the price range. Ultimately, you can see percentage jump. If you take this, it's about 108%. So if we just carried this over now to the point of breakout currently, it would be probably closer to maybe $4.40. So ideally, that's where I truly believe we're going to see this rally take forth. We could set it even lower. I mean, if we really wanted to stem it lower, which is not necessarily the case, I would truly believe that it's probably something like this. This is even a 52% jump, not from the bottom support, but from this support level, the mouth of the opening here. So 50 to 100% gains is ideally what I'm looking for. And that would pretty much set us back to top resistance, closer to $3.40 to maybe $4.50 in between that zone here. But ideally, it's coming to an end soon, and we are going to find some sort of breach in Cardano's price very soon. So it's exciting. Volume has not yet entered the market, but we should be paying close attention to Cardano because I do believe it's going to break very soon. Otherwise, guys, definitely make sure to take part in the crypto giveaway, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.